Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking in. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and don't forget to on your bell notification so that you receive all notifications each time I drop a new video. So in this particular video today, I'll be teaching you how to lighten your lip or to remove dead skins, dead cells, dead skins from your lip. During dry season or even without dry season, a lot of people tend to always have dark lips, and some of these dark lips are not genetically inherited. A lot of it come as a result of dead skin cells. Like when you have a lot of dead skins on your lip, it tends to make it turn black. First of all, I will get my empty bowl ready, then I will go ahead to get my sugar. I'm using granulated sugar. You can go ahead and use your brown sugar. If you have a cube sugar, all you have to do is just to make it to be like this, to be like granulated sugar. So anyhow you are going to heat it. If you want to pound it, if you want to just do it anyhow, but don't use water to dissolve it. So after adding a teaspoon of granulated sugar into my bowl, I will go ahead and add my pure honey, my original honey. So all you have to do is just to get about a teaspoon of honey and add into your granulated sugar, or just add honey the way it will not be that too much into it. So honey there is just to help moisturize it, and yeah, it's going to help to make your lip to be soft, make it to be light. And this is my coconut oil. I will go ahead to add it into my mixture and mix very well. I'm going to thoroughly mix this thing very well, and you will see how it is afterwards. So this is how it's looking. It's looking like a yummy paste. Just imagine when you mix honey and sugar, two sweet things. So this is what I have here. I have this mixture here which I have shown you how I prepared it. So I'm going to be applying it on my lips. So guys, just stay tuned and watch till the end so that we will see the outcome. You can see my lip now, how it is. Yeah. I'm going to wash this off right now. So guys, once you are done with washing it off, don't allow it to just stay like that, because it will keep drying up, because you just took the process of scrubbing the lip and taking off the dead skin. And if you don't moisturize the new skin, it's going to dry up soon. It's going to dry up immediately. So all you have to do is to use either your lip gloss, but I prefer you use a natural stuff that will really penetrate inside the skin and do other works for you and your lip. So you are going to moisturize it with any favorite oil of your choice. Don't use something that is harmful, okay? Don't use something that you cannot put in your mouth. Really, you can use either almond oil, coconut oil, carrot oil, or even lemon oil if you don't have a sensitive skin. If you notice, I didn't add any lemon in my mixture because it can harm someone that is very sensitive to harsh ingredients or that have sensitive skin. Okay, so just go ahead and moisturize. As for me, I'll be using my homemade cold pressed coconut oil to moisturize my lip. So why I love this cold pressed coconut oil is that no matter how little it is, it goes a very long way in moisturizing your skin. Okay guys, so do well to take your water, keep yourself hydrated, because that will contribute to keeping your mouth soft and supple all the time. Like you can feel, I can feel how soft my lip feels right now, and I wouldn't want it to go dry again. So do well to keep drinking water, keep yourself hydrated, eat a lot of fruits, take vegetables and all of that. Don't only rely on scrubbing your lips always. Remember, you can only do this once in a week for you to get the desired result in less than 1 month. In fact, from the first day you start this, you will notice a difference in your lip, because it's going to take care of all the strong, chapped and dead skins on your lips. Is going to take it out and make your lip very soft and supple. So guys, if you have enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share. Drop your opinion in the comment section, or if there's any particular video you want me to create on any skincare related issue, please do well to drop it in the comment section, and trust me, I'll be doing justice to that. Thank you guys for watching, and please stay safe out there. See you guys in my next video. Bye.